In the realm of project management software, ClickUp has carved out a significant niche by offering an incredibly versatile, highly customizable, and all-in-one platform for managing tasks, projects, teams, and even entire businesses. Its strength lies in its flexibility and the sheer number of features packed into a single tool. This often leads users, particularly those deeply embedded in the Microsoft ecosystem, to ponder, does Microsoft have something similar to ClickUp? As a project management expert, I can tell you that Microsoft doesn't offer a single, direct, apples-to-apples equivalent that matches ClickUp's all-in-one breadth and deep customizability in one unified product. Instead, Microsoft approaches project and work management through a suite of interconnected applications, each designed for different levels of complexity and specific use cases within their broader Microsoft 365, formerly Office 365, environment. Think of it like this. ClickUp is a custom-built, multi-tool Swiss Army knife designed to be highly adaptable. Microsoft, on the other hand, provides a toolbox filled with various specialized tools, and your ability to mimic ClickUp's functionality depends on how effectively you integrate and leverage these individual Microsoft tools. Let's explore Microsoft's offerings and how they compare to ClickUp's capabilities. 1. Microsoft Planner, the lightweight team task manager. What is? Microsoft Planner is a simple, visual task management tool ideal for small teams or less complex projects. It's integrated with Microsoft 365 groups, meaning if you use Microsoft Teams, you likely already have access to Planner. It uses a Kanban board style with buckets, columns to categorize tasks and cards for individual tasks. Similarities to ClickUp, basic task management. You can create tasks, assign them, set due dates, add checklists, and attach files. Visual boards offers a Kanban board view, similar to ClickUp's board view. Team collaboration. Tasks can be shared and collaborated on within a team. Differences / where ClickUp excels. Customization. Planner is very rigid. You can't customize statuses, create complex workflows, or add custom fields like you can in ClickUp. Views. Limited to board, list, and charts views. ClickUp offers dozens of views, Gantt calendar, table, mind map, whiteboard, workload, etc. Hierarchy. Planner has a flat structure, planned buckets, tasks. ClickUp offers a highly customizable hierarchy, workspace, spaces, folders, lists, tasks, subtasks, checklists. Advanced features. Lacks time tracking, advanced reporting, robust automation, resource management, goal tracking, and built-in docs/wikis that are central to ClickUp. Best for simple team task tracking, daily stand-ups, short-term projects with few dependencies. 2. Microsoft To Do, the personal task manager. What it is? Microsoft To Do is a personal task management application that helps individuals organize their daily responsibilities. It originated from Microsoft's acquisition of Wunderlist. It integrates with Outlook tasks. Similarities to ClickUp, personal. Personal task lists. You can create lists and track individual tasks. Reminders. Set due dates and reminders. Differences / where ClickUp excels. Collaboration. Primarily a personal tool, not designed for team collaboration in the way ClickUp is. Project management. Lacks any real project management features beyond simple task lists. Best for individual to-do lists, personal organization, simple daily task management. 3. Microsoft Project and Project for the web/project online, the enterprise powerhouse. What is? This is Microsoft's long-standing, powerful project management software. It comes in various forms. Microsoft Project Desktop, the traditional desktop application known for complex Gantt charts, resource leveling, cost management, and critical path analysis. Project for the web, a more modern, cloud-based project management service that offers grid, board, and timeline Gantt views. It's simpler than the desktop version, but more capable than Planner. Project Online, a cloud-based solution built on SharePoint Online, offering more robust project portfolio management, PPM, capabilities for large organizations. Similarities to ClickUp, advanced project management. Gantt charts, Both offer robust Gantt chart functionality for timeline management and dependencies. Task management, comprehensive task creation, assignment, and tracking. Resource management. Microsoft Project excels here, providing detailed resource allocation and leveling. ClickUp has resource management, but often requires more manual setup or custom fields. Reporting. Strong reporting capabilities for project progress and financials. Differences / where ClickUp is often preferred. Ease of use and learning curve. Microsoft Project, especially the desktop version, has a notoriously steep learning curve and can be overkill for many teams. ClickUp aims for a balance of power and user-friendliness. All-in-one philosophy. Even Project for the web or Project online still feel like distinct tools. ClickUp strives to bring everything, tasks, docs, whiteboards, chat, goals, time tracking, sprints, CRM elements, under one highly interconnected roof. Cost. Microsoft Project typically involves separate, often higher, licensing costs compared to many ClickUp plans, which bundle many features. Customization. While powerful, Microsoft Project's customization is different from ClickUp's ClickApps and fluid hierarchical structure, which allows you to build your workspace to mimic almost any workflow. Collaboration. While improving, Microsoft Project core design was not as inherently collaborative and real-time as modern, cloud-native tools like ClickUp. Best for large, complex projects requiring detailed scheduling, resource planning, earned value management, and portfolio oversight, especially in enterprise environments already heavily invested in Microsoft. 4. Microsoft Teams, the collaboration hub. What it is, Microsoft Teams is primarily a communication and collaboration platform, chat, video conferencing, file sharing. However, its strength lies in its ability to integrate with other Microsoft 365 apps. Similarities to ClickUp, collaboration. Chat/messaging, real-time communication channels. File sharing, centralized document storage and collaboration. Meetings, video conferencing capabilities. Differences / where ClickUp excels natively. Native project management. Teams itself is not a project management tool. It becomes one by integrating with Planner, Project, or third-party apps. ClickUp has all these features built in. Structured workflows. While you can connect apps, creating a cohesive, structured workflow from scratch within Teams that rivals ClickUp's native capabilities requires more manual setup and relies on external integrations. Best for centralizing communication, meetings, and file sharing, and acting as a hub for integrating various Microsoft Project tools. 5. Azure DevOps, the developer-focused powerhouse. What it is, Azure DevOps is a suite of development tools, boards, pipelines, repos, test plans, artifacts for software development teams. Its boards component offers robust Agile project management capabilities, Scrum, Kanban. Similarities to ClickUp, Agile PM. Agile boards, excellent Kanban and Scrum boards for tracking sprints, issues, and user stories.